Hi, hello everyone. This is Madhu. Today I am going to show you how to edit a perfect portrait photo. Let's start editing. The very first thing what we have to do is we have to tune the image in a perfect manner. In the first beginning, we have to adjust the brightness and contrast in a better way. Based on this is based on the picture and the saturation. It should be it should not be over, or it should not be lesser. It should be an ideal way of editing. So we need to increase the shadows and a little bit raise the and reduce the warmth and all. So we have to fix in a better look in the tuning the image. After tuning the image, we have to choose a selective to brighten our face, because as it is a portrait photography, we have to look on the dark spots on our face, which is the darkest, means which had more shadow. So on that shadow we have to reduce the structure to minimize the distraction of our faces and raise the brightness to be bright. Now you can see the changes on all the faces. It looks more brighter than the previous, the original draw photo. Just look on that and raise the brightness based on your picture. As mine is not that much darker in the raw picture, I raised almost 70 to 75. Go to vintage and select the number 12 for a portrait photo editing. So just showing a lot of options over there. So in the vintage I choose 12 and raise to raise the darkness in the background. And I didn't make any much changes. I raised just to ignite strength in the background. So that's all. Once it's done, click on the undo button in the above option, view the editing and select the brush option and start unbrushing, means it's just masking on your face to reduce that vintage effect, so that your face will be in highlight position. So to make that, you have to select this one and just unmarking the effect on your face. Once it's done, you can see the changes over there. The picture what used to look in the before in the raw data, and now it's a bit more darker than that. Now select the glow to highlight, means to blur the picture, means to raise the glowness on the portrait photography, and choose better ideal percentage in the glowing, so that it should not so much breach on your face. It should be like a better decent blurry and shiny face. It should be like that. Once glowing is ready, then your picture is ready to post. If you want more darker background, you have to select the curves, and that you have to select faded one, and just as I said before, you have to unmark on your face, just masking and edit on your face to highlight your face. Reduce 50% of this one, the curve, because the curve is it's too darker. If you reduce complete to 0, means it looks so acquired. So it's better to erase only 50% on your face. Now look at the image. it's totally different than what you saw in the beginning. It's completely different than a raw picture. You can see the difference. Just click, double click on the screen, just tap